It's officially summer, and I am going to celebrate by making ice cream. Did you know that you can borrow an ice cream machine from the library? An ice cream machine is just one of the many, many items you can check out for free from our library of things. I decided to try a recipe for simple strawberry ice cream that was included in the manual. It starts with 2 cups of strawberries, hulled and blended. You then add 3/4 cup of whole milk, 2/3 cups of sugar. There's 1 and 2. Then add 1.5 cups of heavy cream, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You'll then use a whisk or hand mixer to stir it around until the sugar is dissolved. And now we wait. Cover and refrigerate for at least 2 hours to overnight. Now let's take a look at the machine. It's pretty simple. One thing I wish I'd known beforehand was that the base that I just added there actually has to be frozen for 24 to 36 hours before you can even make ice cream. So be aware. Okay, our ice cream mixture has been chilling in the refrigerator for a few hours, and so now you're going to turn the machine on and just add the mixture into the middle there. The machine churns the ice cream for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then you're finished. Happy ice cream making and happy summer! If you would like to see a full list of all of the items you can check out from our library of things, visit beavertonlibrary.org/LOT.